Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable screen reader on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to do that, just head over to quick settings, go to all settings. I want you to navigate down until you find accessibilities. Click on accessibilities and then click on this option that says talkback screen reader. So if you just click on enable, that will enable the screen reader. So clicking on this, I'm being asked to confirm whether I want to use talkback. So it will collect all the data of the text you type except passwords. It's going to include personal data like credit card numbers and the rest. That's the risk of having talkback, but accepting that, you take OK. Configurations can also be set for talkback, where you could adjust the speech, the volume of the speech rate, the verbosity, the sound, and other controls. So I hope that has been insightful and you've been able to enable screen reader on Chromecast. So I have mine turned back off because I'm not going to be using the function. If the video was useful, I want to ask you subscribe to the channel. Join us as we grow this channel, showing you tips and tricks, showing you tutorials on how to get the best out of the Chromecast. So like the video and I'll see you in the next one.